Hi, I'm Carrie Woodward, Communications Officer at Sirona. I'm joined today by Chris Brown, our Community Learning Disability Nurse in Adult Services at Sirona. Chris has joined us today to talk about his apprenticeship. Hi, Chris. Thanks for joining today. Why did you decide to choose this apprenticeship?
So doing the apprenticeship was really beneficial. It allowed me to work and study at the same time, and it offered me that flexibility as well, obviously, to be able to do work, tutorials in the evenings. So it just really works really well alongside my job.
Oh, great. That's good. How did you feel it has benefited you now?
I think the apprenticeship has been a really beneficial experience for my learning and development, particularly now I'm in the role as a community learning disability nurse. I think it's been a really varied experience, lots of different placements in lots of different areas, which has kind of ultimately prepared me for a job as a community nurse, because community nurses do various different things. They kind of cover everything. So having that varied experience has been really, really good for my learning.
Did you have the support you expected from Sirona?
Yeah, so Sirona have been really, really supportive all the way through. I've had my team have been really supportive. Every time I see them, they've been asking me how the apprenticeship's going. They've kind of just been my biggest cheerleaders, really. And I had somebody kind of allocated from my team that's been overseeing me throughout the whole process, and also learning and development have been really, really good, checking in, organising placements for me, and just generally just checking on my welfare, really. So yeah, felt really supported.
Oh, that's great. What is your end goal in your career, would you say?
So obviously I've got a job as a community nurse, a Band 5 community nurse at the moment, working in the learning disability team. My end goal would be kind of, at the moment I want to keep gaining more experience. I want to work up through the bands, potentially maybe look at a leadership position in the future. But also I quite like the idea of trying lots of different things and finding kind of what my special interest is, and kind of narrowing it down and maybe doing something to do with that. But what that is, I'm not too sure at the moment, but I'm sure with more experience and trying lots of different things, I'll find my niche area that I want to work in. So yeah,
I'm sure you will. Thanks, Chris. Well, thanks for your time today, and have a good National Apprenticeship Week.
Thanks, Carrie.